If you think your floor is completely clean, you may want to think again. We're taking a look at the Levoit VortexIQ Pro today, and it's going to reveal things to you that you won't be able to see with the naked eye. Alright guys, so the company Levoit did sponsor me to make this video, but no worries, I'll be giving you my honest feedback and review of this product. First things first, I just want to give you a quick little tour. Now everything you need is going to come in the box. The only thing you need to do is essentially set it up for the first time, and that just involves clicking all the various pieces together. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes, real easy. Now, of course, you can assemble it as a regular long vacuum, but you can go ahead and remove the stick part in the middle there, and that will convert it into a handheld vacuum. As far as operation, it's super simple. So you're gonna have these buttons up here, and it'll turn on the LED display. It'll start in the eco or the low power mode first, but you can go ahead and switch it to the 2 other modes, mid or turbo. And then the percentage number is the amount of battery that is left. Speaking of the battery, you would just go ahead and plug the charger right here on the side, but it will come with this wall mount and the included screws to be able to set this up against your wall. And then once you've got it set up, there's gonna be a little charge plug right at the bottom there. Now cleanup is super simple. You're gonna press that button to remove the dust bin, and then it's just gonna be a 1-button operation. Here you press on the trap door and it will release all the nasty stuff into your garbage can. If you do need to do heavier maintenance, you can actually remove all the parts within here. And as you remove each piece, you'll see that there is actually a 5-stage filtration system. So first there's that metal mesh part there. At the top here, there's a foam and then a felt filter. And then right inside here, you can actually remove the HEPA filter. All of those components are washable. You just need to make sure they're dried before you put them back in. You're also going to be able to take out the brush roll itself. So there's going to be a button right there. And then you can flip this out, take it out. You can go ahead and wash this and dry it and then put it back. Now let's talk about the brush real quick, because as you'll see, there are thin pieces of rubber running alongside the brush part. And that is of course for the anti-tangle feature. So instead of getting caught in the brush hairs, it's going to be able to push it out to the side and into the dust cup. So that's gonna be great for all you pet owners out there dealing with a bunch of hair on the ground. Now, if you are needing to take a break while you're vacuuming, as you can see, this thing is gonna be able to self-stand. So you can go ahead and just click it into place, walk away, and come back when you're ready. All right, so that's basically how this thing works. But let's talk about the really important features now. So as you saw in the beginning of the video, there's gonna be a green light that shoots out from here. And that's gonna help you see dust, dirt, and hair that you may not see otherwise, because it's gonna create these long shadows, making that stuff really obvious to see. This vacuum also lays completely flat, as you can see, and that's thanks to the design here where the dust cup is actually in front rather than, in the back. So for example, here's my old vacuum. A lot of them are designed in this way where this part juts out, preventing it from laying flat like this. That of course is gonna allow you to get into low-lying areas such as under furniture and chairs. Now, of course, no vacuum is going to be any good if it doesn't have strong suction, but with this guy, you'll be able to clean things up from the floor on the first pass instead of having to redo it over and over again. I'll kind of let the videos here speak for themselves, but as you can see, it works very well. And then lastly, it does come with 2 attachments. So one is a mini motorized brush. This also has the anti-tangle feature. So for you pet owners, you're going to be able to clean up your upholstery, your sofas, your couches, pick up all that hair, and not have to worry about it getting tangled up in there. And then you'll see this very, very long crevice tool, good for getting into those hard to reach areas. All right, so if you have kids, you probably own a minivan like me, and you know there's gonna be a lot of stuff just hiding in the cracks of the car seats, but also you've probably got the groove for the sliding door here, so that's what I like to use this thing for. That is one deep crevice, but with this, it allows me to get in there and get it real clean. All right guys, so if you are a pet owner, if you have kids, you're constantly cleaning up hair and food from the floor, go ahead and check out the link below to purchase one of these. It's gonna help make your everyday cleaning a whole lot easier.